Boost WooCommerce sales with product bundles with badges. Installation. Navigate to the Plugins menu on your WordPress website. WooCommerce must be installed and active. Click the Add New Plugin button at the top of the page. Then search for Asana plugins in search box. Now you can see Product Badge and Product Bundle Builder for WooCommerce plugins. Install and activate both plugins. Finally, check the plugins in the Plugin tab to ensure they are activated. How to create product bundles with badges. Step 1. Create product bundles. Navigate to WooCommerce Products and click Add New to create a new product. Set a name for your product bundle. Click on Set Product Image from the right sidebar and select an image for your product bundle. Now navigate to the Product Data panel and select Product Bundle as the product type. After selecting Product Bundle as the product type, the Product Bundles tab will appear in the Product Data panel. Navigate to the Product Bundles tab and click the Add Item button to add a new bundle item. In Item 1. Now in the Products field, search and select Products. With the Sort Products field, you can sort selected products by ID, title, menu order, date, price, popularity, and rating. In the Quantity field, you can set the default quantity for each bundled product item. Check the Edit Quantity by User field to allow the user to change the quantity of a product, and set the min and max quantity for each item. In the Discount field, you can set a discount for selected products by percentage, price, or fixed price. Now navigate to Display tab. Overwrite selected product title from this field. Overwrite bundle item short description from this field. Change the title of the bundle empty item from this field. Change the product list product selection title from this field. Change the modal header title from this field. Then click on the Add Item button to add a new bundle item. In Item 2, in the Products field, search and select the product you want. Adjust these sections according to your needs. Now click to add item 3 for bundle. In the Products field, search and select the product you want. Adjust these sections according to your needs. Click to add item 4 for bundle. In the Products field, search and select the product you want. Adjust these sections according to your needs. We set a 100% discount on this item's products. Navigate to the top of the page. To set a fixed price for the product bundle, check the Fixed Price option. And navigate to the General tab and set a regular price for the product. You can set a sale price too. To use the Auto Calculate Price feature, uncheck the Fixed Price option. To include the parent product price in the bundle total price, check this field and navigate to the General tab and set the price for the parent product. For sync stock quantity, check this field. In this field, you can set the product's price to show or hide. Set shipping fee from this field. Set custom display price for bundle from this field. Set the title for the product bundle from this field. Set the description for the product bundle from this field. At the end, publish the changes. Step 2. Add badge to product bundle. Navigate to the product badges. In the Badges section, click on the Add New button. Set a name for badge from this field. In CSS Labels tab, set a text for the label. Set text color from this field. Set style for label from this field. Change label color from this field. Set archive page styles from this field. Change drop-down field on top of image to the product page, and set product page styles. Set extra styles from this section. Set label position from these fields. Schedule the product badge show from this section. Set countdown timer for product from this field. Now navigate Products Conditions tab and select Products in drop-down menu. Select Included, and select Created Product Bundle. At the end, save changes. Now click on Visit Store to see the created product bundle with badge on shop page. Product bundle with badge displayed on the shop page like this. Now click on Bundle to see product bundle page. Added badge in product page. Product bundle name. Product bundle title. Product bundle description. Added 4 items. By clicking on each item, you can see added products for that item in pop-up page. Added products in item 1. By clicking on each product, customers select that product. Added products in item 2. Added products in item 3. and added products in item 4 with 100% discount. Product bundle list. Calculated total price. Now click on the Add to Cart button to see product bundle in shopping cart. Product bundle shown in cart like this.
Thanks for watching. Please support us by like and subscribe to our channel, and checking the description for more information.